And here we are in Hong Kong Crunch again for the fucking battle royale of 500 million dicks up 500 million asses with fucking Spectre and Outlaw and Twister and Axel and Warthog and Roadkill and Grasshopper and SWEETTOOTH! And here comes the initial start of the match. Outlaw 2 is saying fuck off, he got frozen. Unfortunately, Outlaw 2 has the amazing power to escape out of freezes 5 times faster than the player! And so they try to get away, but it is all for naught as they get their fucking dicks blown off in the next millennium. What a tragic fate! And unfortunately, Axel is out on the warpath. He's decided he wants to use his asshole power, and he uses it with great effectiveness against Thumper, who fires a freeze shot and shoves a fire missile up his ass. But Axel hasn't had enough. No! He's ignoring everybody in front of him, and he decides to use his asshole power against Thumper, who tries to fire off another freeze shot and misses it as he eats a bag of shit while everybody goes right around him and focus fires his ass. And here we have the great SWEETTOOTH, Mr. fucking Master of being the biggest fucking troll this side of my dick in your ass. And SWEETTOOTH has went up the side and thrown his missiles out every 2 seconds because he is the master blaster of all time. And look at this, another mine laid for Thumper. What a glorious trap. Fortunately, Thumper does not eat a bag of shit because he's not a fucking idiot. But SWEETTOOTH is firing out those specials every 2 seconds. So Thumper decides to capitalize on the freeze and tries to blow his ass in the next week. But Warthog picks it up for his teammate SWEETTOOTH because SWEETTOOTH and Warthog are in fucking cahoots! It's not even a fucking match! It's 1 versus 7! Jesus! And here comes Twister firing off a missile out of her ass, which shouldn't even be possible. But of course, it's Twister. She manages to do it all the time and spins and grins till she fucking wins! Till she fucking wins! Yeah! And Axel uses his asshole power! What a great match! What a fucking great match! And Twisted Missile history! Ah!